As cake designers, we can be creative every day, and our work make people happy. Cakes can be so beautiful and always bring back the best memories of our lives. I'm Dave. I'm from DeLovely Cake Design and Academy. If I could be part of those cherished memories, it would be a very meaningful career. At DeLovely, we customize cakes for special events, like weddings, birthday parties, corporate events, and any day worth celebrating.
I started making cakes when I was doing my own wedding cake research, and I just discovered this new world of cake decorating, what you can do with just sugar, flour, and butter. My name is Gloria, and my business is DeLovely Cake Design and Academy. We create bespoke cakes for our customers. Anything you could imagine, we can turn that into a cake. We have participated in the largest cake competition in Australia, and we have won many first prizes. We also made it to the top 3 of the Great Australian Bake Off. We find that in every celebration, there is a cake. We talk to our customers, find out what's important to them, and we will design the cake for them from start to finish. We also teach cake decorating and baking classes, including globally recognized professional cake decorating courses.
We provide one-stop party services and make birthday party planning easy for you. Our kids' workshops are very popular, especially during the school holidays.
It has been such a sweet journey to create unique cakes and fulfilling learning experience for our customers and friends over the past 10 years. We'll be honored to be part of your important day, and we look forward to creating beautiful moments and happy memories for you.